Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to use labels in Todoist. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Todoist.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you will be able to see all the tasks that you have scheduled for today. So as you can see here guys, I have multiple tasks right here, and let's say that I want to use some labels for one of my tasks. So as you can see here, I have a task called YouTube tutorial and I want to add some label. The first thing I'm going to do guys is go ahead and click that task right here. Now this will open up this new window where we can edit our task, and we're going to look at the right side of the screen right here guys, and you'll be able to find this option called labels. So guys, now you can go ahead and add labels, and basically labels guys are like tags that you can use to be able to recognize your tasks later and where they belong. So I'm going to go ahead and add a new label. I'm going to add a new video label. I already have the video label right here, but if you do not have any labels, you can go ahead and select, let's say I'm going to add a tutorial label. Go ahead and click on create tutorial label, and now we have successfully added the video label and the tutorial label. So guys, now we can go ahead and exit out of the window, and now we have successfully added some tags and labels. So now guys, we're going to go ahead at the left side of the screen where you can see you have multiple options for finding your tasks, such as your inbox. You can see your upcoming task and you can filter and labels. So I'm going to go ahead and click this option right here called filter and label. And as you can see here guys, now we can see all the labels that we have on our tasks. I'm going to go ahead and click on the video label. And as you can see here guys, now this will open up all the tasks that I have this label on them. And you can see that this will enable you to organize your tasks much easier. So yeah guys, basically that's how you use labels. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.